summer is an opportunity to engage episodic volunteers in sustained service, to help harness their energy and patriotism, to help ordinary people do extraordinary things, to empower ourselves and make our communities stronger. United We Serve is being run by the Corporation for National Community Service. The corporation's website, and Jonathan was just talking about this, the corporation's website, serve.gov, will be the hub of this effort. On serve.gov, Americans can find service opportunities in their communities and get the tools they need to organize themselves, identify the needs of their communities, and act creatively to fill them. United We Serve is an opportunity to change the way service is talked about in this country. We will not think solely in terms of hours served, but instead in terms of the measurable impact of our service. That's why we focused on the 4 core areas of our recovery agenda for the summer service opportunities. We focused on the big, tough problems facing our country today: education, healthcare, energy conservation, and community revitalization. Drawing on the lessons and successes from the President's Internet Savvy campaign, we have launched a new web tool at serve.gov that will connect people to service opportunities in the way that Jonathan was describing, and use social networking tools to connect people interested in similar problems and activities. We've posted toolkits on serve.gov to help volunteers develop a project plan and organize other volunteers around it. Projects can range from those aimed at preventing summer learning loss, like book drives and reading to young children, to starting a community garden, and I think we all know how popular gardening has become in the last few months. And that will encourage healthy eating habits and a greener community. Here is why we need your help right away. We need your energy and your talents. We need you to post your service opportunities on serve.gov, because volunteers are more likely to sign up to serve and remain engaged if they have a breadth of opportunities to choose from. And we need you to remind your members to share their stories of success with us there as well. You know, Ariana was talking about that fabulous project that they have. So add your stories to Ariana's website, add them to this website, and let's talk to the country about the power of service and what that means, and not just the quantitative, but also the qualitative meaning of service, how it changes your life and how it changes the lives of the people that we are in fact serving. And tell everyone about the great work that we're able to do. Today is the first day of the United We Serve project, and this conference is just the beginning for us. The President is committed to investing in ideas and solutions that meet today's challenges, and in the people that are working hard in their communities to make a difference. But let me acknowledge the challenges that are involved in this work, issues that reflect the ongoing challenges that we must confront and address as a community together. It's not going to be easy to change the level and nature of service in America. We know that you have been asked to step up over and over and over again, and to be a part of these efforts. And we know that in these tough economic times, it's a strain on resources. We're going to have to work together to determine how and where you'll get those resources, while you're also building the capacity to meet the growing demand for increased participation. We know, I mean, over the course of the 2 years of the campaign, you could feel it building and building and building. People who had at one point been turned off are now suddenly engaged and are answering that call to serve, and they're turning to you to look for ways to do it. So we have to think about the ways to build capacity, and that the government can be a partner along with the private sector, with the philanthropic sector, to make this possible and to make it robust.